go in the box? Which one do you like better, Miriya? Do you like the box or do you like this? This is the box. Which one do you like? This one or this?
The one.
Okay. Shirley, thank you so much for the box.
Wow. Next time I could tell what other people, everyone else can get them. Get them a big box. A big tub.
Hey, how do you like it? Do you like it?
I want to paddle.
You want to paddle now? Do you like it?
Miriya, what's in the other box? Are you curious? Are you curious at all what's in the other box? Or no? What do you think is in the other box? All of a sudden, like...
Daddy?
Yeah. You want to open this other box? Ready?
He just copies everything she does.
No. You have to stay back, okay? Miriya, Daddy said stay back, please.
No, you play with the using. Now I can stay close?
Now you can stand close, yeah. Wow. Hey, Jonah, got out by yourself. That's good.
No, he's stuck. He's trying to. Nobody's helping him. I'm videotaping.
And that's for me, Daddy?
This is for Titi and you, but mostly for Titi. You and Titi share, okay?
What is it, Miriya?
It's a big bake.
I can't get back in.
Yeah, you can try it in the house.
Wow. The house has gotten really, really smaller.
It has gotten really, really small. It has gotten really, really, really small. Wow. Daddy, I'm trying to put this stuff.
Here. Let me put it together, okay? Can you move to this side? Can you move to this side so Daddy can... Here we go. We need scissors.
Miriya, can you turn around and say "sheshe cuckoo"? Turn around. Titi, say "khop kun kap." Oh, okay.